Hey guys, this is Ryan with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to do a little experiment to prove that blasting does not harm soft metals like this brass piece or the little fine threads that it has. So let's go give it a shot. So an important thing to remember when working with these softer metals is your pressure that you're using in your machine. Right now we're sitting at about a static 110 or so. Whenever you're actually blasting, what matters is your working PSI, which is when the machine is actually operating. So as you can see, it's going to drop. That working pressure is what you're actually going to want to set. And we're going to use about 80 PSI for this. So we're going to turn the machine on. And then let it go back up. As you can see, Vapor Honing did a great job on this part as it removed all of the contaminants, but notably what it hasn't removed is any of the part itself or the integrity of the threads. This part bolts back perfectly into the carburetor and is looking great. To see us restore the rest of this carburetor, make sure to check out our channel. Thanks and have a great day.